Nidec Minster Corporation prides itself on its reliable service. This part of our brand is so crucial that we created our services organization to ensure that we can provide everything our customer needs with minimal downtime to their operation. Our dedicated manufacturing facility includes tools specialized for the production of repair parts and a staff focused solely on meeting customers' repair parts needs. Our dedication to our customers means that we are continually upgrading machining capabilities to produce parts more efficiently. Due to the state-of-the-art inventory control system in our spacious parts warehouse, most parts can be shipped out that same day. If they are not available, we have the capability of manufacturing the parts very quickly for the customer. Machines like the Okuma LB45-3, a CNC lathe for turning long-length shafts and other products. The Okuma LB-B402, a 5-axis Maltus with the versatility to machine many spare parts. The Okuma MB8000H. It's a highly efficient horizontal machining center with 2 tables and very fast tool changing capability. And the Okuma MCR B3. It's a large 5-axis bridge mill with a 20-foot by 8-foot table, 1-degree indexing head, and 180 tool storage. These machines are capable of handling production of an extensive catalog of repair parts, and our operators are trained at the OEM's facility as well as in our new Nidec Minster Certified Leading Edge Training Facility. Advancements in technology lead to improved parts, and that leads to improved press performance. Nidec Minster Corporation, high-performing, reliable machines backed by great after-sales support.